I can calculate the motions of the heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. If you don't know who you are, this is an expensive place to find out. The four most dangerous words in investing are, "This time it's different." The biggest risk of all is not taking one. It is better to be roughly right than precisely wrong. The market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. A bull market is like sex. It feels best just before it ends. The time to buy is when there's blood in the streets. In bear markets, stocks return to their rightful owners. There is nothing new in Wall Street. There can't be, because speculation is as old as the hills. Whatever happens in the stock market today has happened before and will happen again. If a man didn't make mistakes, he'd own the world in a month. But if he didn't profit by his mistakes, he wouldn't own a blessed thing. It never was my thinking that made the big money for me. It always was my sitting. The investor's chief problem, and even his worst enemy, is likely to be himself. It's not whether you're right or wrong that's important, but how much money you make when you're right and how much you lose when you're wrong. The main purpose of the stock market is to make fools of as many men as possible. Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. Don't look for the needle in the haystack, just buy the haystack. Far more money has been lost by investors trying to anticipate corrections than lost in the corrections themselves. The function of economic forecasting is to make astrology look respectable. If there was any easy money lying around, no one would be forcing it into your pocket. The intelligent investor is a realist who sells to optimists and buys from pessimists.